Guys, I just registered for the company. Isn't this crazy? Oh my god.
Hey glorious people, Future Glory here. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I know I haven't been posting quite recently just because like sometimes I feel quite scared posting these type of videos because I guess it's the fear of the uncertain of not knowing how this adventure is going to turn out, but at the same time I kind of just need to tell myself to get over that fear and just post my journey out here, even though like no matter what happens, I still want to share the journey with you guys because it's quite a bumpy one, and I thought that when it's most difficult to post stuff like this, I should do it. So this video is filmed just about a month ago, I suppose, around when I was first registering the business. So yeah, enjoy. It's not a lot, but it still kind of showed the initial stages of excitement and wanting to get started. So enjoy the video and see you at the end.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Glory. Welcome all you glorious people. I just wanted to do a little bit of a check-in. So as you guys know, last week, well actually 2 weeks ago, I quit my job, and a week later I decided to go on this spontaneous little solo Berlin trip.
Come with me as I go to Berlin on a solo trip. So this trip was actually just full of food. This is a vegan cinnamon roll that tasted so amazing. Go to Calm Coffee and check it out. And this is me doing some random weird stuff on the street. I went to the Jewish museum to look at this nice garden, and there's just some really cool architectural elements. Got some vegan sushi. It was amazing. Then I watched Oppenheimer with German subtitles, which was a mistake, and ate some really amazing biang biang noodles. This is the best dish of all. Don't go if you're afraid of spice. And saw the Jewish monument. It was really cool. And look at this vegan steak. Isn't it awesome? Oh my god, the texture. Lovely vegan cheesecake with raspberry. This was one of the best cakes I've had. Also cake for breakfast, anyone? Went on the canoe, on the river. Look at the water reflection. Aw, the cute duckies. Honestly, this is just gonna turn into a food vlog by the end. Look at these fluffy pancakes. They're so good. But yeah, the rest of the video is gonna be a lot of food coming up. Look at this. This was some whipped mapo tofu on a quinoa waffle. Interesting. This was Illusion Museum. This is weird, guys. Look at me be a magician. Some other cool stuff. And to finish it off, some vegan ice cream. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.
Now that I think back, I actually think I probably should have done like a retreat of some sort instead of like going on this random trip. I think it would have been more beneficial for me. But anyways, what happened has happened. It was actually a real struggle towards the end of the trip because I got super sick. I was vomiting at 3 a.m. in the morning, and then I had diarrhea at like 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. It was like not fun. And I want to do a shout out to my mom because she has been the nicest, and she was doing distant healing for me all the way back in Hong Kong. So I love you, Mom. And yeah, my friends were there for me as well, so really grateful for that. And yeah, I'm back in London. Things are a little bit hectic. I took some days to just chill, and when your physical health is really bad, your mental health goes bad as well, because whenever I'm sick and I can't do work, it makes me feel the absolute worst. So I started like binge eating and stuff, and it was really horrible. And today I just decided, like, Glory, fuck that. Stop being a whiny bitch. Just get up and go run. So I did running this morning, getting back on track with the training. I have not run in 1 week, and I was like, after you run, do your makeup. So I quite like my eye makeup today. Look nice and get your ass to work. So here I am in the library again and just starting to work. So I registered the company yesterday. As you can see the clips here. This feels so weird. I'm gonna register the company. So let's go. New application. Let's go. Guys, I just registered for the company. Isn't this crazy? Oh my god. I know I look super bad now because I'm sick, but crazy that this is actually happening. I paid £12 for this service, which is like insane to register a company online, but hey, this is it. And so the next step is buying a domain on Google Domains. So just reviewing this purchase and let's buy. Oh my god, guys, I have it. I have my Agora ads website. Crazy. Guys, this is my new account. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I have my domain now. Now I have to create a new password. Guys, look. It just registered as a company. Oh my god. So yeah, I look like a mess because I was sick. My throat was dry like the Sahara Desert, so it was not a pretty sight. And then yeah, it was kind of crazy because I was like, damn, I'm this company director and all these things. And today I am, going to, it actually got approved just now, so that's super crazy. I'm gonna start like registering it for corporation tax. Corporation tax. And I'm also gonna call the bank and register a business bank account, and it's just crazy. I had like dinner with my friend and he was just thinking about the whole thing, like you technically, like, you left your job and then you're gonna live in your sister's place, sleep on the floor, which is a thing now apparently, because I don't know where I'm gonna go after I move out of this flat in the beginning of September. Sleep on the floor, no idea what your income is gonna be, and it's just crazy, like at the age of 22. And I was like, yeah, that actually just sounds like a shit show. He was like, I believe in you. If anyone, you're gonna be the one to do it. So I'm just really grateful that I have people who are supportive next to me. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some work and get my life back in check because it was so bad yesterday. My screen time was freaking 13 hours yesterday. You know, it's like when you've been working for so hard, like the one day you're a slug, you're like, wow, my life is falling apart. So yeah, I'm gonna get back on track. I was like deleting Instagram this morning on my phone. I was like, damn, I just stopped looking at Instagram. So yeah, the struggle is real, and I'm gonna go and register. I'm actually just like so excited for this new chapter. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm currently setting up all the different softwares. This is Asana. The task I have to do, I have Slack, and right now I'm like the only employee, but it's fine. I just have to like figure this out. It's actually all very crazy because like now my title is the director of a company, and I just feel very underqualified for that role. And I'm like trying all this like stuff to figure out how to do certain things. Like I'm trying to build a LinkedIn inbound funnel, and maybe also on Facebook, and just all this like new knowledge, and just trying to understand like how these things work and lots of technical stuff. So I'm trying to figure all this out. So I think these days are just going to be focused on more like research and a lot of thinking. I know I should do outreach, but I can't set up a bank account at the moment. And I think I have to also start packing this room because I'm going to be moving out soon. So as fast as possible, I think. So as you guys all know, today is a Friday. And yesterday I was like at the library setting up everything, and today morning I did some more research and thinking about people in my close circle that I could do some market research on, because I don't feel as comfortable selling stuff without doing some market research first. So hopefully I will do some of those calls. And in the meantime, you guys all know I'm going to be moving out of this flat soon. That's really messy over there, but I'm gonna be moving out of here soon and gonna be staying with my sister, gonna be sleeping on the floor like your classic broke entrepreneur. But I really need to get rid of some stuff here because there doesn't look like there's a lot of stuff here, and my friends tell me that I don't own a lot of stuff, but at the same time I feel like I own a lot of stuff. So I do have to throw away some stuff, and I'm trying to be more minimalist in a way. Like I packed my clothes, I have some books I want to donate and all of that. So I really need to like figure out my life and try and pack. I'm gonna try my best to pack up my life in like one big and one small suitcases, so 2 suitcases, and those are like the bare essentials that I need. And then for the rest of the stuff, I'm gonna try and like either donate it or put it at my friend's place that live in London. I actually sold some of my architecture tools this morning. My mom was like, wow, you really just get rid of, because I'm really sentimental and my mom is also very sentimental, but it's just the fact that I don't have space here. So I have to, give them away. And it's really lovely. I'm going to meet this girl this weekend, and hopefully the tools have a nice owner and have a nice home and family to go with. So that's my plan for today. I just have like a lot of stuff. I like packed all of my books here, packed my clothes to donate. Here are some books I'm going to donate. Just a lot of stuff. Like, why do I have so much stuff? I don't get it. I'm gonna try and pack my life. Oh my god, the light. I'm gonna try and pack my life in this suitcase. Should be fine. Let's pack. Here are some clothes I'm going to donate and not need anymore. It's really sad. I hate the sound. Can they stop? This is like an old 24-hour race that I did. I'm gonna donate it alongside lots of other hoodies. It's really quite sad. This old school one I had. Hey guys, I'm on my way to donate these books now at a low price. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm finally here. Send a parcel. I have a QR code. Okay, let me do it. I think that's the label. Done. Okay, there we go.
Hey guys, Glory here. Thank you for watching that video. I know it wasn't that long, but in the next video, there's some crazy stuff coming up where I go through some really hardships during starting the business. So keep an eye on that, and I'm gonna get more active and disciplined in uploading videos once again, because I think it's a nice and meaningful journey to share with you guys, starting from the rock bottom where it's quite tough. So enjoy, and see you in the next video. Stay glorious. Bye.